Follow strategy to grow fast on TikTok and get more real followers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use follow and super follow strategy to grow fast on TikTok and get more real followers. If you're posting videos but not getting followers, this method can seriously help you boost your growth. Let's start with the basic follow strategy. First, open the TikTok app and get to your niche. Search for videos related to your content. For example, if you post about tech, search tech tips. If you post about beauty, search beauty hacks. Now here is the trick. Go to the viral videos in your niche, click on people who like or comment on this video. These users are already interested in the type of content. Start following some of them. Don't spam. Follow a reasonable number daily. When they see your profile, many of them will check your content and follow you back, especially if your profile looks professional. Now, let's talk about the super follow strategy. Super follow is about engaging before following. Instead of just tapping follow, do this. Like 2 or 3 of their videos, leave a short comment, then follow them. This increases the chances they notice you and follow back because you interacted first. Very important tips. Your profile must be optimized. Make sure you have a clear profile picture, short bio explaining what your page is about, at least 3 to 5 good quality video posting. Also, post constantly, at least 1 to 2 videos per day if possible. Then I will talk about Follow Super website. Just go to Follow Super. You can find 500 follow for TikTok or 2,500 TikTok followers. You can choose the package you want, then click and add your link. Then your profile will go viral.